Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check recent following on Instagram. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you're gonna do is open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile picture on the lower right corner of the screen. Then go to the following. Then, as you can see, you can press here with the arrow down and up. You can sort it by date followed or date earliest. So, let's try to see the latest. So, as you can see, it will now be sorted by the date followed. And if you go to followers, you can see that these are the people with the followers. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!